Quack Up Your Luck, understanding lucky duck. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and feather-filled English expression, lucky duck. This phrase is often used in casual conversations, and it's a playful way to describe someone with incredible luck. So, let's waddle through the meaning, origin, and use of lucky duck together. Lucky duck is an idiomatic expression used to refer to someone who is particularly fortunate or has had something good happen to them by chance. Imagine someone winning a prize without even trying or stumbling upon a great opportunity by accident. That person is indeed a lucky duck. The phrase, lucky duck, might have its roots in the idea that ducks lead a carefree life, floating effortlessly on the water. It also may relate to the way ducks seem to serendipitously find food or shelter. The phrase has a whimsical and endearing quality, reflecting the playful nature of English idioms. You can use lucky duck in any informal situation where you want to acknowledge someone's good fortune. For example, you found a $20 bill on the street? You're such a lucky duck. I heard you won the contest. You lucky duck. It's a light-hearted expression, so it's perfect for friendly banter. To help English language learners, let's see how lucky duck fits into everyday speech. We'll look at a few dialogues and scenarios where this phrase could naturally come up, emphasizing the tone and context it's used in. This section will explore how lucky duck appears in various English-speaking cultures and if there are similar idioms in other languages. It might surprise learners to see how a simple phrase can have global reach and local flavor. That's a wrap on lucky duck. I hope you feel like a lucky duck for learning something new today. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with fun phrases and expressions just waiting to be discovered. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using idioms like a native. Quack you later.